Come on. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have both his knee braces. Stay off people's grass. Stay off their grass. I have both knee braces on him right now. Today, I'm just around the block from my house, and we're gonna go to the park with my friend. Dennis is gonna come pick me up because he's in a wheelchair and he has a low, wide ramp to get into his van. Come on, Macho, stay off people's grasses. Off the grass. Off their property. So, and he's been in his van before. He's walked up the ramp, so, and it's a real low ramp because it's a low van. So, we're gonna go to the dog park today, and this is gonna be his first outing in like maybe a month and a half or so, maybe longer. Come on, Macho, stay off people's grass. Please. I said nicely. So I wanted to get a video of his first outing. So I just decided to walk around the block to see how these knee braces hold up. And it's really hard to put him on by myself because he wants to lay down and I need him to stand up. Come on, Macho, off of people's grass. Come on. And I don't know if this brace is keeping him from going to the bathroom because it straps under him. Oh no, he peed. He can do it. Yeah, his first outing in a freaking long time, like 6 weeks. And I gave him his anti-inflammatory and pain medication about an hour ago. So we'll see if that can if he does have any pain, we'll see if that can keep it down and the inflammation down. So this is just a test. We're gonna go to River Island Dog Park because there's like nobody there, and it's a smaller dog park, so hopefully there'll be less running. Of course, I'm not taking a ball, but he was so excited when I got these knee braces out. He knows they mean that he's going out, but it's hard to put them on. Come on, off of people's grass, man. No, we're not crossing. You're supposed to walk on the sidewalk. It's only like 10 o'clock in the morning right now. It's gonna get hot today, so get this playtime over and done with because it's supposed to be 100 today. He's having trouble standing on his one leg, I think. Okay, so my house is just right up here. We will see you guys at the dog park. There he is. Our ride is here. There's Macho. Our chauffeur has just arrived. Okay, I gotta go. Macho. Macho. Macho's gonna save you. Nova. Oh. Nova, no.
Now what, Nova?
No. No.
Yes, I have some protection.
Yeah. That's so funny.
Working good boy, Macho. Now you want protection. No, Louie. This is,
Is that Rocky?
yes.
Oh my God, he's so funny.
And he's like, I'm gonna put my dick in your straw. Good boy, baby boy. You don't have to protect, but that was pretty sweet of you.
Oh, he's chasing a shadow.
I told you about Rocky the other day, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Callie, no. Leave it.
Well,
Sorry. Playing with a dog in the shadow. I'm trying to get in the shade and not walk in front of you. Callie, leave it. Callie, come.
good boy. Oh, that's it for him.
Come on, Louie. Come on. Come on. Come on, Louie. Jump up. Come on. Oh, Rocky, let him go, buddy. Come on, Louie.
Macho, you good boy. Poor Macho.
I love how you got between me and...
I know. You gonna go poop, Macho? Yeah, you are right there, huh? So we're back from the dog park, and we only stayed for maybe not very long, not even a half hour probably. And Macho's ready to lay down. You could really tell that he wasn't, you know, running around like he normally would. But we'll see how he does later tonight with the limping. He was ready. I mean, he's always like this when we get home from the park, where he just plops down. So I don't really know about his leg yet. Well, I'm gonna have to wait till later tonight to see how he's feeling. But it really kind of sucks not to be able to see him run at the park like he used to. You know, how he would just run and run for days and bark at the sky. But anyway, I just wanted to close this video up for you guys. So Macho's first outing in 6 weeks. Thanks for watching, everybody. Until I see you in the next one, everybody take care. Bye-bye.